Hi family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to Natural. In this video I'm sharing with you my hair trim. It's been 3 months since I last trimmed my hair, and so it's time for another trim. The last time I trimmed my hair I did that in twist, but this time I'm doing it whilst my hair is loose. Before this trim, I stretched my hair with African threading. I feel like my hair was not fully stretched or well stretched enough, but it was okay to work with. So I pre-parted my hair and kind of put it away in twist so that I can unravel, comb it out to stretch it a bit further before I trim the ends. This is not a tutorial, but more of an update on what I'm doing with my hair. I have a detailed video on how I trim my hair, and I'll put a link in the iCard above and also in the description below. If you're looking to trim and shape your hair, then this is not the video for you. In this video, I just pre-parted my hair to make it easier. I find that trimming my ends actually reduces my detangling time, especially on wash days, because I don't have so much knots and tangles to deal with at the ends of my hair. So when I start experiencing lots of knots and tangles at the ends of my hair, I don't push it any further, I just do a trim. If you are new here, welcome to Natural. I make videos on natural hair care, hairstyles, and a few DIYs to help with the journey. If this is something you're interested in, please click the subscribe button and join the family. I hope this video inspires you to give your hair the care it needs. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.